YouTube channel. I am Hobbiters and this is our extra math challenge for today. Representing quadratic function using table of values and graph. We have here a quadratic function of f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 4. So, first we will need to find its vertex. So this vertex is, I am going to transform this quadratic function into its vertex form. And x squared is 2x minus 4. We have x squared plus 2x plus 1. 1 minus 4. 1, 5. And we have a vertex of negative 1, negative 5. So, we will put the value of this vertex to the table. We have negative 1, we have x value of negative 1, we have a y value or f of x value of negative 5. So, since we know that quadratic function has a parabola that opens upward like this, and this is the vertex of the parabola, we will need to find its coordinates in order to plot. And we need to find its coordinates and plot in order to draw its parabola. So, we'll draw a graph, Cartesian plane. So, this is 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we have here also negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just put the arrow to indicate that this Cartesian plane is infinite, is continuous. So, our vertex, the vertex of our quadratic function is negative 1 and negative 5. We'll plot this coordinate in the Cartesian plane, which we have x of negative 1. So, negative 1, we have a y of negative 5. So, the vertex, coordinate of the vertex, is located here. Since our x values is negative 1 and our y value or f of x is negative 5. So, in order to draw the parabola, we will need to find the other coordinates, and to find the first coordinate, we will substitute. We will let x as 0, and if x is 0, we will have a 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 4 is equal to 0, squared is equal to 0, plus 2 times 0 is equal to 0, minus 4, and we will have a f of x or y value of negative 4. And we now have a new coordinate of 0 and negative 4. We will plot this coordinate to the Cartesian plane here, because this is 0 and our y value is negative 4. We will plot the new coordinate here. So, we'll let x as 1, and we will solve for the f of x or y values if x is 1. X is 1, we have 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 4 We have 1 squared is equal to 1 plus 2 times 1 is equal to 2 and minus 4 is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 minus 4. We have a negative 1. So this is our f of x or y value of negative 1. So our new coordinates are 1 and negative 1, and we will plot it in the Cartesian plane, which we will plot here. This is 1 and negative 1. So the bottom part of our table of value is still unknown. So we will solve for the left part of our parabola. So we let x as negative 2, and we have f of x is equal to, if x is negative 2, we have f of x is equal to negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2 minus 4. And negative 2 squared is equal to 4 plus, no, because 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, so we have negative 4 minus 4, and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, minus 4, and we have negative 4. We now have a new coordinate of negative 2 and negative 4. So we need to solve for the last box unknown point, which are, we will let x as negative 3. And if x is negative 3, we will have a value of f of x of negative 3 squared, okay, minus plus 2 times negative 3 minus 4 is equal to negative 3 squared is 9 minus 2 times negative 3 is 6, negative 6 minus 4, and we have 9 times 6, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3 minus 4, we have negative 1. So now we will plot the remaining coordinates. We have negative 2 and negative 4, and our x is negative 2, and we have y is negative 4, so we'll plot it here. And we have a coordinate of negative 3 and negative 1. Our x is negative 3, and our y is negative 1, so we'll plot it here. So you can see that we have plotted all of the coordinates. So we will just need to trace the plotted points in order to form the parabola. So this is how our parabola looks like. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please don't forget to comment down below. And peace out!